Do you want to align your work with a deeper purpose?
Are you tired of the usual 9 to 5 job?
Do you want to make a difference in this world?
Do you want to experience the joy of service, of giving, of bringing smiles on people's faces, of bringing them from despair and disease to vibrancy, health, and happiness?
If the answer is yes, then Satvic Movement welcomes you with wide open arms to join our team.
Yes, you heard that right.
We are expanding.
We're looking for people who are passionate, who want to serve humanity through their work, and who love doing what they do.
We are looking for creative directors, video editors, cinematographers, graphic designers, VFX artists, music and sound experts, recipe developers, chefs, storytellers, script writers, Instagram experts, digital marketers, HR managers, accountants, e-commerce experts, and UI UX designers.
You could be sitting anywhere in this world, anywhere, and yet work with us. Why? Because we all work online. However, if you want to work at an office, we also have a space in Gurgaon, India.
Currently, we have 20 people working full-time at Satvic Movement, and they are scattered all around India. But we all have one mission that makes us jump out of bed each morning. We want to make this world a better place. In the last 3 years, we've made videos on detoxification, on the healing power of food, and living a life in sync with Mother Nature.
And before we knew it, people cared about what we had to say. Our videos have helped people transform their lives, they said, and helped others be able to walk again, she said.
And even doctors think like I am a living miracle.
Our workshops have been attended by over 20,000 participants. We have a community of over 2 million members, and our videos have been watched by over 18 million people. But through this, we've been a team of only 20 members.
And now, you too can be a part of this team. If you have a skill which can help this movement reach billions, not millions, billions of people, then come join us. All you need to do is click on the link in the description under this video and fill out the application form for your desired position.
This human life is rare, so let's make sure we live it with a purpose.